Hello everyone, welcome to Citation Builder Pro. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can bulk import the leads in CBP leads. To do the same, simply click on the find leads, then you will find the option bulk import. Click on. Here you can see that we can download the sample file from here. Click on download. It is a CSV file. So remember that when we are saving this file, it should be saved as CSV. So now I'm going to open it with Google Drive. Even you can open the same file using Excel as well. I don't have Excel, so I'm opening it in Google Drive. We need to fill the primary details to which are required to import a lead, such as the listing URL. For example, I will make a search for YC plumber in New York, and these are the few listings. So what I'm going to do is either I need to use the CID or I need to use the respective map URL. So to find the map URL, what I'm going to do is I'm going to find that particular business in Google search. Okay, so now let's make a search for this particular business. Here is the knowledge panel populated. Now I will click on these two arrow. So this is going to be the actual map URL of the respective listing. Now I will copy this map URL. Okay. And here we will fill out the details. Here we can see either we can use the CID or we can use the map URL. So what I will do, I will remove this column of CID and I will use the map URL. Then I will enter the name. Basically, the bulk import feature will help us to run the different audits in bulk. Okay, so I will use this keyword. Then I will enter email address. Then I will enter the phone number and the website. This way we can keep adding rest of the leads. Now we will click on download button, and here we need to make sure that we are downloading as CSV comma separated value. Now here we can see that it is now downloaded. Now we will navigate to the CBP leads, click on choose file. Now we will click on open button and we will click on upload. Now system will show us the detail which we imported, the map URL, business name and so on. If we want to verify, we can verify it. Unfortunately, I did a mistake in my email address. So I will go back and I will edit it again. Now I will again re-import the file. Now here we can see all data is correct. If we want to verify the accuracy, we can click over here and we will expect that respective business get open. Yes. Similarly for the website. Now click on submit button. Here it will ask us where we want to store these leads. It means in which campaign. Okay. So I selected this recent campaign. As I currently don't want to send any automated report, so I will keep this field. empty. I will not make any selection over here, and I will click on save button. In case if I want to add new campaign, then I can click over here add new campaign, and the lead will get added to the new campaign. Okay, so now let's click on add new campaign, and I will give a name, and I will click on save button. So this lead now is part of NYC campaign. Now let's navigate back. Here we can see this is the new business. If I click on get leads info, then it will show me the campaign name as plumber NYC. We can view more details about campaign in manage lead. If I navigate to the campaign, then here we can see that in plumber NYC I have one contact. Okay, from here we can either view or make the changes. If I click on this campaign name, it will show me the leads present in this particular campaign, and from here also we can generate the report. So this way we can utilize the bulk import feature. Thank you very much.